pull up the back and let curls just go off to the side. That's my little thing I like to do since, you know, I have struggling edges. Kind of conceal a little bit of that hairline, but still look cute.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to use the 3 remaining products I have to try from the bio line from Pydana Collection. So if you haven't seen those previous videos, make sure you check them out after this video. But go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Now let's go ahead and get into this.
Okay, so it comes out just like water. So be careful when taking it out. Smells like the rest of the line. I should probably use my sprayer. Where did I put it? I'm not sure. So we are not going to use a sprayer because I can't find it right now, but I would strongly suggest you use it.
I'm using the Curl Quench Maximum Hydration Hair Spritz, which is a pre-style primer. You can use it to refresh and revitalize curls. This improves hydration to quench dry hair, rebalances the pH of the scalp, smooths the cuticle, improves tensile strength. And tensile strength basically means it improves the amount of tension that your hair can take.
Now for the Pydana Collection BIYO Curl Enhancer Maximum Hydration Hair Cream. That was really nice that it mentions that you can use this for rods. It's right on the label. I would say this is a nice and creamy, lightweight product. It does not feel heavy.
This is to be applied to the hair from root to tip and sealed in with the oil or butter. It's suggested that you do the LOC method when using this product and style as desired. It says for best results, use as a styling cream for twist outs and rod sets and wash and go styles.
Cloval hair growth oil.
Yes, now Pydana Collection now has its very own oil to help promote hair growth. And this is for all hair types.
I think I smell rosemary. It definitely smells like herbs.
Yes, the last I checked, there are about 13 potent oils in this particular clover oil. So a full listing of all ingredients of all the products I'm sharing with you, make sure you check out PydanaCollection.com.
Y'all know where I really need it at. What I like about the dropper is I can easily place the oil exactly where I want it at without parting my hair. All I gotta do is place it and then rub it with my fingers. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of it on my hair itself. Okay, my hair feels very lightweight. This is not a heavy product, but it does definitely feel moisturized. So if you're low porosity or you have fine natural hair, I would say this combination of 3 products here is a great combo. My hair feels moisturized but not greasy. Okay, 1 down. So again, we're going in with the hair spritz, which is also a pre-style primer, and it's also used to refresh or revitalize curls. So, you know, if you have some mid-week touch-ups, this is a great product for that. Comes out just like water, and it looks just like water. It's not cloudy whatsoever. It gives the hair a nice coating. I'm going in with the hair cream, and it spreads nicely from root to tip. And cloval hair growth oil. With the dropper, you can go ahead and drop it directly where you need it. Get those edges. Always try to get those edges. Whether they're growing or not, treat them right, okay? And with this side, I did go ahead and go in with a little bit more hair cream. so good. My hair is super soft, fluffy, no cast whatsoever. Okay, so let's break this down a little bit more. Okay, roses, I am done. There we have it. If you stay tuned for each one of my videos regarding the Pydana Collection BIYO line, from unboxing till now, you have seen me use all the products. I am satisfied with each and every product I use. In regards to the 3 I just used for this twist out, y'all excuse traffic out there. Back to what I was saying. I enjoy every single last one of them. My hair is soft, still has movement, no stiffness whatsoever, no flaking. This is beautiful. Make sure you check the link in the description box for Pydana Collection. If you tried any products from this line, anyone whatsoever, let me know. If you just discovered a new product line and had no idea it was out, if you had never heard of Pydana Collection before this video, let me know. I am ready to go. This will probably go in a puff or some kind of half up, half down. What I like to do is pull up the back and let curls just go off to the side. That's my little thing I like to do, since, you know, I have struggling edges. Kind of conceal a little bit of that hairline, but still look cute. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.